guys, this is me Abdullah Nadeen again. I am over here to show you how to take jet or any helicopter in Gangstar Vegas. So we will start our recording in this. First we will have to go to Gangstar Vegas. See, I'm opening it. In Gangstar Vegas, when it will be on, you will go to. Oh, I will just tell you how to do it. But this is the new version, updated version, 2016 game mode, alien version. I like this. I don't have enough money to buy this, but I thought that I should tell you how to take an helicopter. Oh, what's this? You did it. Alien version event is. Wow. What is this, man? Why did you take on my... Hello. Wait a minute, 38. Man, good, wow. Oh my god, man. Why? Why? But no. Okay, therefore, we said that how to... Okay, now, let's go to... Now, this is I'm opening my game. Okay, so this is my van. I want to... I want a car to go through that. So, let's take this thing. So, come on. Let's see where we will find that helicopter or jet plane or that water plane. So first we will have to do is go on the map and locate the airport. And the airport is over here. You see, this is all the airport. It is no long way, but we will go over here. Okay. So this is our way to airport. Let's go. So, okay. We are heading towards it. So guys, you will be very excited because you will get the helicopter or jet uh, in a very short period, and you can also get a helicopter. Yes, I did forget to say that. Okay, so guys, here we are. It is a little bit more distance, but we will cover it in a very short period of time. So, I think so. We should go on another topic. Hi. So, this game is very cool. So I thought so. If you want to take store or anything else, you can take. I want to take store. It is faster than a jeep. Oh my god! Please no 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 no. Okay. Okay now. So we are here. In the airport. So you can get anything over here. So we are not yet in the airport because it is not the airport. It is the outside boundary of the airport. We have entered the airport, and you see guys, there are airplane, and I thought so that here would be a jet plane, but there is no jet plane or anything. What? That there is an helicopter. There is a jet. Oh my, I'm lucky. Pause over here again. Cool, huh? Those are over there also, man. Yeah. What are you doing? The what? Oh, okay. Let's see. Take this. Let's take this helicopter. We'll do this and we'll helicopter. Huh? So, guys, share this video, subscribe, and ready for more videos. So please subscribe my video and like it. Like it. Bye.